Okay, I got this little blackbird over here. He's been injured for a couple days, and I brought out some water, which you can see right there, and some seeds. And I'm hoping that the blackbird will just go over to it. I've been out here for about a half an hour kind of circling around it, trying to get it to go closer and closer to where the food is. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. Oh yeah, I guess I can. So as you can see, he's getting a little bit closer and closer to the food. There you go. Come on, you're about to find it. You're about to find it. Come on, you're about to be one happy bird. And it's funny because the bird is actually starting to get used to me because he's looking for, oh my God, he's so close right now. Looking for little baby moths. Oh, he's so close. He's on it. He's on it. Oh my God, he's eating the bird seed. I did it. I did it. Now is he going to drink the water right next to it? We will see. I don't want to get any closer. I'm just trying to build trust. Okay, I'll keep everybody posted. It's letting me get pretty close, so I'm not going to push it any more than this. And I'm going to let him eat. Hasn't drank any water yet, and I'll check on him again maybe later tonight and see what's going on. Okay, everybody, so I kind of wish I had my camera with me when I came down. He ran out of water and it ran out of food, so I came down and I literally threw the bird seed, ouch, I threw the bird seed right over next to him, and he picked at it, and I got closer and I put the water right next to him, and he took a drink, a few drinks actually. Now he's going to town with the seed. And I was able to get quite close. I mean, I'll see if he still lets me. There we go. Yeah. And you can see he's very off balance. And when I looked a second ago, it looked like on the back of one of his legs, he was like oozing a little bit from a scar. Yeah, that's a good bird. That's a good birdie. Yeah, you know I'm not going to hurt you. So he's still a little nervous of me, but not too bad all in all. I think we made friends. And I was just kind of hoping at some point that, you know, he would heal. But I'm going to have to take some closer inspections here. See, he's off balance. He's kind of fell forward into the pan. Huh. Yeah, you fell forward into the pan. You're doing all right. You're doing all right. So, I mean, he's trying. Or she. Huh. Say, I'm trying to live. I'm just afraid a predator is going to get the bird before it has a chance to heal. And oh, it's okay, buddy. Oh, now he's in the water. Go ahead, buddy. There, he says, I need a drink. Yeah, you need a drink, huh? Isn't that good? So it's literally 90 degrees right now, and that's in the shade. Oh, he's getting a little rambunctious here, and I think he even knows it's hot, so he's bringing himself over in the shade too. So I'm going to stop filming for a little bit, reorganize, see if I can figure out what's wrong with this bird. I mean, you can obviously tell when it tries to run, it can't really run. So I'm going to take a look at his legs a little bit, but yeah, that's it for today. Okay, so here's where I'm at so far. Oh, you just see him, let's see where he's at and what he's doing. Okay, so here's what I got set up, everybody. I'm going to leave the door open to my shed. It's cooler inside of the shed and safer, I think, for the bird. I can keep the bird food inside of there and the water, and it won't get all wet from the rain or dew at nighttime. So this is his first time going in there. I think he's hopefully going to get used to it, and he'll know he's got a place to go while he heals. You know, that's if he heals. I see him walking around now that he's got some water in him. He seems to be getting around a little better. I mean, we'll get in a little closer and I'll show you we'll see if we can film the back of his legs over here. hate laying down in this grass. All right, let's see if I can zoom in a little. Yeah, so I think it's his opposite, where his leg comes up and bends into the body. It would be his right side or her right side. You can't tell from this angle. If I was on the other side, you'd see better. But it just looks raw in that area. But maybe it's not. Maybe I'm not seeing that correctly. Okay, so let me zoom back out. I should make that. I should just dump those seeds out. He thinks he needs to get up on the edge of it to eat them, but he doesn't actually need to hang on to that dish for nothing. Yeah, all right, so this is, I think, day 3. Say goodbye to everybody. Okay, so the next step is to see if we can get the bird to eat out of our hand. Well, that wasn't too hard. So he definitely recognizes he's being helped. You know, compared to when I first ran up on him, it was, well, I didn't run up on him. Of course, I was going up slow when I did. I mean, when I first discovered him, he was up next to my house, and the only time I would see him was I'd walk by like the edge of the house where the bushes are, and he would come running out of the bushes and fly away, because he was, you know, that's where he was hiding out. And we did that for a couple days until he ended up down back here on my back lawn, and pretty much just hung out near the shed. I could only come within like 10 feet. I tried a couple times during the day. So yeah, it just took a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. And I do say, I think over the last couple days, you know, he has improved. He's very gentle. Yeah. Yeah, we friends now? And I've already had the talk with him. You know, you can't trust all humans. Don't get better and think you're going to fly up to just anybody and have them not, you know, treat you like a wild animal, because that is exactly what you are. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera out. Yeah, every time he dips his head down to get stuff on the floor, he keeps rubbing the top of his head on the ends of my finger. Okay, everybody, we'll see ya. Till next time. So as you can see, we're building up a little more trust. He likes to play in the water with me. And he'll let me rub his little beak a little bit too. Yeah. Yeah, you know we're buddies, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you're good birdie. You're good birdie. Oop, he says, not too much on the top of my head. He shook the water off his head. Yeah. Did you like it? Hmm? He doesn't know what to think of it. He's got droplets on the top of his head. He lets me, he kind of bows down. See if I can get that at a different angle. You can see the droplets, they just sit on him. That's why when a bird gets in a bird bath, you see them shake like crazy. It's the only way they can get the water to like really get in and penetrate anything. Huh. So this is just a little trust. Okay, so something I noticed too, if you look at that little bit of white section on the wing, That is actually, there's no feather right there. That's just the, I guess you'd call it the quill. And there's no feathers that really attached in that area. So I'm guessing that's a wounded spot, which, I don't know, maybe somebody out there can tell me if, you know, that's something that heals on its own. Yeah, did you hear that other bird out there? Hmm? Did you hear him? Yeah, what a friendly bird. Whoops, sorry. I tell you, you don't weigh anything, so I just brush a little too much and it just moves your whole body. Huh, but I know you feel all that. Yeah, I know you do. Aww. Yeah, he says a little too much. A little too much. Okay. Yeah, it's been fun building trust with you. Yes, it has. Say bye-bye. Huh? Say bye-bye.